Welcome to today's quick tip on getting ahead of your month-end process with the Inventory Reconciliation app. It is the end of the month, and before we dive into the heavy lifting, there are 4 key actions you need to take today to ensure a smooth and accurate close. First, let's tackle your inventory. Make sure none of your inventory quantities are negative. Negative inventory can throw off your financials and create discrepancies that are tough to reconcile later. So you just need to go to audit number 3 on your inventory app. Next, check for any dormant or invalid work orders. If a work order is lingering without activity or is no longer valid, it's time to clean it up. This can clutter your system and confuse your reporting. Third, review any work orders that were closed short. Closing a work order manually, especially when it's short, can lead to inaccuracies. This is not a good practice and could be hiding larger issues. Always investigate why these orders were closed in this manner. Finally, review all-in transactions at $0, whether it's adjustings, work order receipts, or PO receipts. These $0 entries can cause serious valuation issues at month end. You want your inventory to reflect its true value, so take care of these before running cost in utilities. So today is the day to act on these steps, ensuring a clean start to your month-end process. Remember, taking these actions now with the help of the Inventory Reconciliation app will save you from headaches down the line. Let's make this month-end the smoothest one yet. Thank you for watching. I will see you at the next e-learning tip.